Golden Retriever Tail Docking, Understanding the Controversy. Golden Retrievers are hailed as one of the most popular dog breeds in the world. With their friendly and loyal nature, it's no wonder that they make great family pets. However, there is one controversial practice that has been associated with this breed, tail docking. In this video, we will explore the topic of Golden Retriever tail docking and help you understand the controversy surrounding this practice. What is tail docking? Tail docking is the practice of removing a portion of a dog's tail. It is usually done when the dog is a few days old, using surgical procedures like cutting or banding. Tail docking has been a common practice for centuries, with some people believing that it prevents injuries and infections in working dogs. In some breeds, docking is done for aesthetic purposes to conform to breed standards. Why is tail docking controversial? Many animal welfare organizations and veterinarians are against tail docking, arguing that it is a painful and unnecessary procedure. They believe that dogs use their tails to communicate in balance, and removing a part of it can affect their ability to do so. The American Veterinary Medical Association, AVMA, states that tail docking should only be done for medical reasons, such as to treat injuries or infections. In the case of Golden Retrievers, tail docking is not a standard practice. The breed's tail is naturally long and flowing, adding to their overall graceful appearance. However, some breeders may choose to dock their puppies' tails for personal preference or to comply with certain breed standards. This has led to a heated debate within the Golden Retriever community, with some advocating for the practice and others vehemently opposing it. Arguments for tail docking. Proponents of tail docking argue that it can prevent injuries in working dogs. For example, hunting and working dogs may be prone to tail injuries while running through thick brush or dense undergrowth. Docking their tails can reduce the risk of such injuries and ensure the dog's safety in the field. Some breed standards also require tail docking for certain breeds to conform to the ideal appearance. Breeders may choose to dock their puppies' tails to meet these standards and compete in dog shows. While some may view this as purely cosmetic, others argue that adhering to breed standards is essential for preserving the breed's characteristics and heritage. Arguments against tail docking. Opponents of tail docking believe that it is a cruel and unnecessary practice that causes pain and distress to the dog. They argue that there is no medical reason to dock a dog's tail, and that the procedure is done solely for human convenience or aesthetics. Removing a part of the tail can also lead to complications such as infection, nerve damage, and chronic pain. Furthermore, opponents argue that docking a dog's tail can interfere with their ability to communicate with other dogs and humans. Dogs use their tails to express emotions like happiness, fear, or aggression, and docking can limit their ability to do so. By depriving a dog of this essential form of communication, we may be hindering their social interactions and overall well-being. The controversy surrounding Golden Retriever tail docking. In the case of Golden Retrievers, tail docking has become a divisive issue within the breed community. While some breeders may choose to dock their puppies' tails for personal preference or to comply with certain breed standards, others believe that it is an unnecessary and harmful practice. Those against tail docking argue that Golden Retrievers have naturally long and beautiful tails that are an integral part of their appearance. Removing a portion of the tail not only alters the breed's standard appearance, but also deprives the dog of an essential form of communication and expression. On the other hand, proponents of tail docking may argue that docking is necessary for working dogs to prevent injuries in the field or to comply with certain breed standards. They may view tail docking as a way to preserve the breed's heritage and characteristics, even if it is controversial. Conclusion. In conclusion, the controversy surrounding Golden Retriever tail docking highlights the complex and often emotional nature of debates within the dog breeding community. While some may argue for the practice based on practical reasons or breed standards, others believe that it is a harmful and unnecessary procedure. As responsible pet owners, it is important to educate ourselves on the arguments for and against tail docking and make informed decisions about our pets' well-being. Whether we choose to support or oppose tail docking, it is crucial to prioritize the health and happiness of our furry companions above all else. By understanding the controversies surrounding golden retriever tail docking, we can work towards promoting the welfare and happiness of these beloved dogs.